Welcome to day 9 of the 30 mixed media cards using your craft supplies at home. No specialist card makers required. So today we're making this card together, and as you can see, quite simple, quite straightforward, very easy to adapt. So let's get started.
I'm just using an ordinary piece of card folded in half, or you could use card blanks if you prefer. And I'm going to start by adding some washi tape around the edge. Now you can use these really well in cards. It's so easy to use. I do recommend you have a look at some different washi tapes. You can get so many different patterns, different colours. It's just so easy to use. And all I'm going to do here is just put one strip of it down the side near the fold. And I'll just trim the top and the bottom. And you can see it's immediately got that effect, that little bit of drama. So definitely good for lots of cards. And then it's simply a case of getting some circles, and you can see mine have got little crimped edges because I've got a little punch, that's the word I'm looking for. But you just need to cut out some little circles of some nice paper that you've got. So this is great for using up scraps of paper or thin card and just glue them in place. I'm just using a glue stick. You could use any glue you've got. And for your circles, you could draw around anything you've got in your house. I mean, what about the washi tape? You could have drawn around those around the inside. But I'm just sitting them on there and putting them in a nice curve and just think that's quite pretty. And then to make them look a little bit like flowers, I'm going to add some centres. And I'm going to use buttons. Now my top tip for buttons is to use hot melt or cool melt glue. Now I'm using cool melt glue. The glue's there, it's just like a hot melt glue gun, but the glue melts at a slightly lower temperature, so you're less likely to burn your fingers. So simple to just put some buttons on, and they do make great flower centres. And you can see for this card we're nearly there. And some of the cards have done a lot of detailing and a lot of different techniques. Kept this one nice and simple. And I'm using the greeting Thinking of You. You can download all the greetings I'm using in this series for free from my website. There'll be a link in the description below and on the screen. And I'm just going to stick it on with some little foam pads. I like to use 3 because I think it holds it up nicely, stops it getting squashed if it goes in the post. And then just going to position that. So you can see this is a really simple card that you can adapt and make your own. And anybody would love to receive that. So good luck with your card, and I hope I see you in the next video for the next card in the series of 30.